getting out of the hotels. Hopefully it fits. Oh, we got it. Don't really like drilling holes in my brand new truck, but it's gonna be cheaper in the long run than staying in hotels on these fires, and nicer than staying in a pup tent. Well, I didn't record myself setting it up because, well, never set it up before. It's pretty simple. Just got done my day, so thought I'd find a place other than a hotel. I just made myself a cup of coffee with the jet boil. It's all burnt in here, so shouldn't burn again. Beautiful spot. And it's out of town and away from the fire camp. So enjoy my Java. I asked one of the locals here if you can swim in that lake, and he said only if you want your toenails to fall off. So I'm guessing not. But I'm just gonna stay one night here and then work tomorrow, and I'll find a new spot. Well, here we are. We're at White Lake by the Canoe Creek area. This is the first night in the hotel. Trying to save a little bit of money. Hotels and meals and stuff get pretty costly. I don't really care for being around the hundreds and hundreds of people at the end of the day, so kind of just finding a spot to camp away from everybody, have some quiet time. There's lots of people on these fires: Costa Rica, Mexico, New Zealand, Australia, Alberta. Well, all the Canadian provinces, there's somebody here from there, all trying to make a difference in these fires. It's super dry lightning in the forecast almost daily, so it's a challenge. I am glad to be here though. I've never fought fire in BC, so it's different. My whole career has been in Alberta, but it's a good learning curve. And this is a beautiful place to be. So I'll see how the first night goes. Hopefully no bears get me or anything. Well, it's supper time. So we're gonna cook from scratch some beef stew. I actually prefer the Mountain House brand, but this is all I could find in Kamloops. We're gonna cook that up and have some supper because my phone gets pretty busy here in about an hour. And then for dessert, I'm gonna have some granola from scratch. It's all from scratch. Can't wait to shut that thing off. First night, pretty good. It's nice and quiet. But time to get up and get back to stomping fires. Well, the first night was a success. Just gonna make a little coffee and tear this thing down. Night 2. Found a spot here. Not too far from where we do our safety briefing in the morning. Ash falling from their back burn. Just gonna have some supper and go to sleep. Guess I should do a video of Setting this thing up. Having some macaroni chili from scratch.